That was the most catching it out.
That got to hurt.
Yes, it
Wait.
got to hurt.
What are you looking at me for? Wait. Oh yeah.
Zombie!
Oh my god. Sorry about that, my mother.
Goodbye, little sister.
Oh god.
Gracie, go do your hair and get your shoes on.
I didn't do my hair.
More about AJ.
No! Hey, it's Gracie Pumpkin!
How are you doing?
Yay! You bad camera person! He's the worst camera person, I'm telling you.
Go check out Diamond Eye. He's the best.
No, he's the worst! Worst! Hey! It's my channel! It's my channel! Oh my god!
Hi guys. Hope you like this video.
Sorry about AJ.
Love you.
He's being very mean right now. And I'm gonna go somewhere today. So yeah. And so yeah. Hey guys!
Who wants to party?
No one with you. You're gonna kill me.
Goodbye.
You're gonna kill me.
Oh, no.
Bye, guys.